So hey guys, good afternoon. So this is the beauty which I will be riding today, and Sharat sir, he's in the town, Pavan, and thanks to the KTM, and here is the beauty. Let's see how it goes. Taking out for a short spin, I'll be riding this KTM 390 Adventure. Yeah, let's take a ride and let's decide how it goes. So you're all set to go. So here we are in the traffic. Wow, it's quite powerful and it is so damn smooth. The refinement levels are so awesome, and the ABS is also working super duper fine. 390 ADV, my goodness. So this is the first time I am riding this KTM 390 Adventure. Currently I am owning a Duke 390, which is a BS3 version, and it has a hell lot of power, and compared to that, this one is a kind of super duper smooth, and we can literally cruise like this. Damn. And the quick shifter, damn man. See. Okay, we will just go onto the highway and take a spin. The power it has, man. Dude, this machine is a lit machine. Let's take her onto the highway and let's push her to the limits. Third gear, it's 101, my goodness. This bike feels very comfortable, like compared to the Duke 390, and the twisties in the traffic and everything, man, it's super duper good. And ABS is also doing its wonderful job, like compared to the old 390. Old 390 has few issues, but this thing is doing perfectly fine. So here we are in the traffic right now. I hope this camera is recording and doing its business. Okay, fine. And the trip one says 15.4 kilometers. Let's take a U-turn from here and let's see how it does perform. Till now it is performing so good, and it's super duper smooth, and not much into the technicality. I don't know much about the technical spec, but the bike is super duper smooth. Let's again rev it hard. The quick shifter is doing absolutely wonderful, and the ABS, man, the ABS is super duper good. Cops. Yeah. Wow. Like pushing this bike to the limits, though I'm not owning it, I'm seeing her as a lady, and it is doing a wonderful job. I think it is the most comfortable bike I have ever ridden. So I'm a 5'11" guy. My height is 5'11", and I can touch my feet fully onto the ground and the handlebar is quite wide, quite wide. Like I can stand comfortably on this bike and do some off-roading as well. I'm not a big fan of off-roading, but this bike feels damn smooth, man, damn smooth. I think if I buy this bike, I'll definitely be satisfied with the amount of power which this bike is delivering. It is quite satisfactory because I'm a touring guy, so I'm not much into racing. So I hope this bike is quite good comparatively. So like there is no knocking sound, but it feels a quite bit of plastic. Damn, this ABS is doing a wonderful job, like literally a wonderful job. I will go and take a jump on this bike. Damn, the power delivery is super duper good. And people are watching me like aliens. Like literally like an alien. Man, please look at the road and drive. Not even a helmet. Yes, I think this is the bike. But somewhere around, I feel there is a lag in power, but that's quite okay. I'm happy with the linear delivery and the bike's performance, and the ABS is doing quite good. Quite good, yes. I think it is something related with the tires. The tires are amazing. And overall we can say this is a wonderful bike which KTM is providing in terms of adventure series. Like this is the only adventure series from KTM in India. Hope someday I won't buy this bike anyways. But yeah, it was a very nice experience having this machine in my hands, this wonderful machine in my hands, to be quite precise. So all thanks to KTM Vizag for providing a test ride on this bike for quite a long. Damn, this bike is stopping at a very good speed as well. So far so good, and this bike is so much comfortable. Like it is, like I can give around 10 out of 10 for the comfortable posture of the bike and the power it has. Like if I'm comparing it with the Duke 390, I think it is 7 out of 10. Yeah, let's see. Waiting for the long-term reviews. The fan got switched on and it doesn't provide that much of heat onto the rider's legs, which is a kind of comfortable feeling for a rider. So I think I need to pull her. So we can just I can literally play with this bike, like literally play with this bike. And quick shifter is also doing a wonderful job. Well, I don't know how to use a quick shifter, but as far as my knowledge, okay, it is quite smooth, like the normal way. We just pull the clutch lever and release it quite quickly. But yeah, it was one wonderful ride. So we are just getting back to the KTM showroom, which is under renovation. So I'm quite happy. So we'll take a quick 360 view of the bike. That's the tail section, and again we have a few celebrities just in front of my camera. Mr. Pavan, Mr. Sharad sir, and this ADV 390. And it was super awesome riding this bike. So yeah, signing off from here. So yeah, I need to thank few persons. So thank you very much for the ride. Yeah.
Any plan for buying, sir?
Not so soon, but definitely. It's a wonderful bike. Yeah, thank you very much for the ride, KTM Vizag. And a big thumbs up to ADV 390.
I will show friends.
Sure, definitely.